So yesterday we left over some questions. First of all, let's see the proof and then we'll start. Okay, this streaming. Wonderful. Okay, yes, I think now it is running. Okay. Okay, fine. Fine answer. So today, okay, we don't need to write every. Okay, 13. We left with 171 days. Okay. So we have to do 15 plus questions like PYQs. So yesterday we have done some mistakes in questions. So you can see in this question which of the following option is not equivalent to X. So I know like and get me first and then not. So X dot one will become X, right? Plus one. So it's a silly mistake. Then after if we take X plus one, it will become what? 1 plus anything will be 1. So option D correct. And then if you move, yeah, this question is quite interesting. So let's see this question. Okay. We'll see this question at last. Okay, this question it is very simple, but I made it into too complicated. So let's see. They said x equals to y equals to 1 can never occur. Means what? Like there are only three Boolean functions. So x equals y equals to 1 doesn't occur. So it means that it can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. That's all. This combination, this can be anything. Either these three terms 0 and these three terms 1. Okay. These are same. So think to simplify this. So okay. So here 1 term is don't care. We don't care about these terms. So let's see it 0 and it's 1. Okay, fine. So if we draw a K map for this, we'll get option D. So let's see how to draw K map. We don't care, so we consider not variable K. Okay. Here it is X, it's Y, Z. Let's imagine this of 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 0 will be 2, 7, 1, 2, 4 will be 2. No. Oh, yeah, we know. Something is set with the wrong. So here, have function, right? If we take function, will become what? X bar. It's taking so much of time. Okay, let's wait. So X bar common, then what we get from here? Okay, so let's show it. So 0, 0, so 0. So 0, so 0, 0. Okay, let's see if X is 0, then Y is also 0. Function won't right. Okay, let's see X bar Y. X bar Y means 0. Oh, X is 0, so its function should be 0. Second one will be, I don't know, like, what weight? We have to do like through cap, right? So 1, 0, 0, 0. 0 1 no, 0 0 1 2. Okay, zeros. I'm taking so much of time. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, now what they're saying is x equals to y. So this combination, this is don't care. X equals to 1 or equal to 1. This combination, this is don't care. Okay, and then have 0 1 2. Okay, it becomes this. So we get function. So this 0 0 0. Also more than 0. X is 0 means everything will be 0. X is 0, here y it is 1. So that will forget to look. Now we don't need to look. X is 0 y equals 1 to become 1. This 0 y equals 1 to become 1. X is 1 means 0 become y bar. Y bar means 1. Z bar means 1. Here it is 1. Z bar means 0. So that will be 0. So if we consider K map, these three. Okay, so K map 3 variable. Let's calculate right. Okay, x, y, z. This is MSP and so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, firstly 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so after it will be correct. Okay, okay here, here is 2. Here it is 2, 2, and 3, and then 4. Okay, so like this 2 and 3, then 4, and what next? Don't get this two or don't get. Okay, if we combine these two, okay, and if we combine these two, that's it will be answer. What is this? What y is for z bar? This is y for z, y z, this y z bar. This x per x. Okay, if we take these two, in this what is common, what is common? Y is common. Okay, y plus. Okay, yeah, here it comes. Okay, y plus. Here it is x. What is common in these two? These two means z bar is common. X z bar. Yeah, think T will be the answer. So we have to do all this. I think there must be a shortcut trick. Like my stream is running smooth. Yeah, now it is okay. Nice. So let's go. Mm. So the question over, and what about this question? Okay, so this is also a mistake. What was the mistake? C. I kept my marked R plus A, B, and D. Why not C? So if A XOR B, A XOR C. If these both are equal, then what the condition is B equal to C. Okay. So let's imagine B is not equal to C by taking contradiction. B is not equal to C means what? B can be 0 and A can be 1. No, no, ABC have 3 sets, right? How can you take that? No, this is sets. So set means you can't take 0 and 1. And here, how can we let it can be 1? Mm, mm. Okay, if this wants to equal means okay. What does it mean? What does it represent? It needs unique elements from A and B. Unique elements from A and C. Unique elements. Okay, unique elements. So elements should not present in A nor B. Okay, both common term will be okay. If this both are equal, then B equals yeah, yeah, it's definitely true, right? If it doesn't come out, okay. So it definitely should be equal. Why? Because if these both are not equal, then B may contain any values like if B equals to small a comma small b, and C equals to you can say D comma E. Okay. If this means so B is not equal to C. So then if A equals to what? You can say if A equals to only F. Okay, now this will term will become FAB, this will become FDC. So not wrong, right? So by correction, you can say this is true. Okay, yeah, this is one property. You can know this is also true, this is also true. Okay, fine. So what next? So yeah, this question. Okay, this question also fine. This question. Okay. Which question I made silly mistakes? Okay, this question. Maybe silly mistake. Okay, I think I've done this question. Fine. Answer is X. I can't. So yeah, how much? Yeah, this is the same question which it's not valid identity. Valid identity. Okay, not best because I did not check B. I just chosen C. Mm, so I just did. So if x of y is equals to x plus y, they give expression like this. So if and only if x y equals 0, what I thought was there would be expression looking 0 means like it can be either 1 0, 0 1, 0 0. So the three possible conditions of x. So if we take this x, take this, take this x is 1 0, what will get? What will get? We get x bar 1 is x of 5. I get x plus 1, right? That's simple. So 1x or x, 1x or x will be what? If you do 1, between 0, so just x bar. So in the same way, it will become 1. Yeah. 0, 0, 0, 0, it will be 0 anyways. It's true. So we need to check this option will be false. Consider like x equals to 1 and yeah, if we take x equals to 1, it will become this whole complement will be the answer. So let us do, if we take x equals to 1, this and y equals to, say anything, okay, and then it will become 1 plus y will be anything, 1, 1x or z equals to 1, no, y plus z whole complement. What 1x or z will be z bar. So z bar equal to y or z bar. Therefore, the cancel then y equals to y equals to 1. That's wrong. So it is not equal to y bar will be 1. So if y equal to 0, it will be 1. If equals to 1, it will be 0. Wrong. So condition is B. That's it. So we have to do one discussion. We will find the where is this here this question. Okay. Same okay. Same settings. Analytics. And I need to process so I can get more data. Data. Okay. Let's do this question. What is that actually three variable Boolean function? Okay, it's a Boolean function. Means it's a Boolean function. I think it is completed. Need to yeah, it's a Boolean function. So what I'm saying. So what? It is three Boolean function. Produce one output. Okay, it is okay. There are function like one blah blah. Okay, these two functions. Put in one output when at least two inputs are one. Okay, at least this one will be one, or it can be also just one, like all ones. Okay, okay. So it's condition which of all is correct. A, B, C, D are Boolean variables. Okay, they're saying between variables. Okay, now A can be one or either one or zero. A, B, C, D, E are A, B, C, D, E can be either one or zero. Okay, fine. So actually, a Boolean function. Okay, so what they're saying is, so let's take option one. I think I had checked up to option C. I got option B as one answer. Okay, let us do Boolean static. So option one says that so we take A, B, C, D. Okay, if we take these three, mm, first of all, let us put false, like else is not equal to RHS. So that so we consider inside what here common inside X function is C. So consider C is one. Okay, and then next what? If consider C as one, consider E as one. Okay, so rest and all zero. Okay, don't care about that. So these are the minimum criteria to be one. So let us we are given two inputs. So if we see A B, maybe definitely P will not. Okay, option A directly call. So let's see if these two are equal. So X equals A B because this is only not. I mean it is wrong option. Here's the second option equals to like only A B C. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to do. Okay, if we type possible, we can say C equals to 1. Okay, and what next? We can say anything 1 or B. So if we take any 1, here is inside X, it will become 1. Anything will become okay. Option B is correct. And what option C? So in option C, if we take the variables like A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, four variables are there. So what we have to prove? So if we take D as okay, similar D as one, and if we take C means like everything will be one. So C must be zero. Okay, C V is zero. Then on the what here D is one. Okay, if we take B is one, okay, B as one, and must That's the output. Okay, A is definitely can be 0. So the left hand side is value LHS, this is RHS. Here it is equal symbol. So LHS value A is 0, B is 1, okay. X inside X, A C T, A is 0, C is what? C is 0, D is 1. So LHS is 0, so RHS. No, man, we need not to select. So, okay. So it is not equals to 1. It's not equals to 1 and 1. Now what next? So we take X, A, take P as 1 and false. False anything will be false. Okay, fine. So what they're expanding or what? Okay, let them do what the heck they are. We will take ABC option D. So we consider um, what is this? So anything else to be no no here we see at least two. So the condition fails. So okay here ABC and this is definitely done. So how to not my current just take A as one. Okay, A as one and comment take B as one. Okay, see the option definitely true. And we can see VDR. VDR covenants are okay, right? Now what? What next? Okay, I done the questions. I have to close this. I think, yeah, this question is okay. So it's quite interesting. What? 11 to 15, oh, we got 4 more points. Just log me. Okay, so what next? That's it. One more session. This. Binary array. Boolean algebra. Is this? No, some band report. It's like what is question? Algebra area what? And take the test two is taken right. Test two, what is test two? Okay, test two is taken. So let's take test three. 15 questions. So let's do it, man. Let's do it. 15 questions. So how many people like you? They're taking only 8 people. So out of 18, highest mark is 13. Third mark is 15. Maximum marks are 19. So fake cross more than 13, I think. Maybe the first. Okay, let's try. There are some hard questions, I guess. So, not question like you just time like it things. It's not fine. Let's try it. It's our think. Till please. Oh my god, each question can take only 2 minutes. Bare minimum 2 minutes. No, max. If not, correct. Okay. 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 What is the product of some without falling? Correct. No, product. So, just to do, okay, just to what the heck, bro? Just to negation, right? We do negation. Okay. Into will become plus. So the first one would be all negations should be there. Okay. First of okay, and set B option gone and options one and D option as D also count. So first one is also first one only E will be correct. Because if we see first term it will be expert. Oh, I know I did not explain here. Okay. Mm, okay, fair enough. Wait, my first no, 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 no. Here as present. You should not present. You should not present. Okay. AB, you have to check AB. So this term is okay. And then after what this term is export become access. Okay, this term is okay. And what is first term, second term, and third term? Third term it will become X, only X. What the heck? Third term will become X bar. Mm, X1 plus X2 bar plus X3. Okay, X1 plus X2 bar plus X3. What will be X1 plus X2 bar plus okay, I think B is the answer. This is very tricky question. Okay. So which of the following of following statement is true? Okay, so we have and up X out. Okay. A X or B always equals to A star B plus what is that? Yeah, it's true, right? Yeah, it's true. Okay. Then what X or B always equals to split okay. X or B always equals to this flow. So what is this? Let's be let us see. Okay, correct. I think it has B plus B plus B plus C. Wait, consider A B B to 0 and plus B plus C. Okay. No, it's not equal. I think it's not equal, right? B is net, B is not written net, right? Only one to one into. So what is the self-dual function? That is very like okay, self-dual means what? Self-dual means just dot become plus become dot. That's all. It will not exchange the negation. It is not negation. We just dot become plus become dot. Okay. It is true. Then self-real will be okay. Both are same f min terms. So it is max terms and min terms. So both are equal. Self-real means what? If we do zero self-real, it means zero to okay, zero max terms. Three. Okay, that self-real is not. My God, this is taking so much of time. So, self-real. Not convert. It will only just do this operation. It will not take negation as it does. So consider like 3, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15. By max steps. Okay, let us do the question later. The following itself to look at animation. Oh my god. Okay. 50. So what? How can we do? We have just two. What FT equals to FT bar. Just to what we got to just convert it to A. Not what how to say not convert 10 to plus to become like you talk around in zero. So you say like what into plus, right? So it's just like A into B into C bar. One will not do anything, so it will into so it will become plus zero. So okay, it will become A B. Bracket terms. First will become dot dot what dot zero. Okay, dot two. That's will become A plus B bar plus C plus two zero dot and this one dot and one will not convert one to anything plus A dot B bar dot C B bar. No, A. It's very tricky. Not tricky, but it is question. So they got this much level box. So if we consider the third term, it will become what? A bar. We don't have that. So what is the type of checking whether assignment of truth value to variable x1 to xn satisfies the formula x1 to xn? What the heck? What is the time complexity for checking the assignment truth value to variable x1 to xn satisfy the given formula? Truth value variable. Okay, I think it is 2 4n. Functions of ABC defined by 3 Boolean variables. Okay, these are all variables where it is the sum of the product by so given sum of product where A bar, B bar, and C bar are complements of the respective variables. The product of some okay, okay, it's very simple. You just have to do what you just have to do. Let's complement. Okay, if you can see ABC, KBC, and then second term is what? The second term is A, B bar, C, A bar, B, C. So, am I correct? No, I am okay. This is not true, but mm, and it is got correct. Yes, three variables. I just need to get one, two, and three. That's all. That's all. And this is not down. Got it. So the following options is not a property of Boolean algebra. Present or okay, not negation. Okay, A plus B. Okay, this is proper. Not they asking not A dot A will become 0 not 1. A plus A but 1. A dot B equals to 1. Yeah, okay, fine. Which one of the following Boolean algebra equations are correct? Oh, really testing patience. Oh, Okay, can we say that everything is correct? Next, okay, the Boolean multiplication symbol. The Boolean multiplication symbolizes the following function. Boolean multiplication symbol. Logical and what's this to write? No. Boolean multiplication is what? One means zero. Right. Expressions become one zero. One multiply what will it do? Zero. 1 0 means what will become zero. One. One. Yeah, it's the same, right? Logical and so the self-dual function. I need to take care about self-dual functions very careful. So I'm not aware of this. Next to among given options, the simplified form of a Boolean function. Okay, not to simplify it. To simplify first option, it will become a plus b plus. If we take a dot b into, it will become what? It will become a bar b feed into c. Okay, take a plus b. Okay. So what will be the answer? A plus b plus a bar bc. So if we take a from, if we apply this, it will become a plus b bar c plus b. So apply this, will become a plus b plus c. Okay. What is a plus b plus c? So, oh my, fine. Let us do this, or we'll do that. Okay, I'll do this later. And so the following subtraction operands will result in F16. What's F16? Which of the following subtraction operations is in F16? B16 minus AB 16. What is B and AB? Okay. You mean 16. What is hexadecimal? Okay. B means 4 bits. Okay. B is 16 minus AB 16. Okay. Oh my god. This. What is A? A means 10. Okay. 10 means 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 0, 1, 0. It is 10. B. Home. B equals to 10 means 11. Okay. C means 12. Okay. D means 13. Okay. So what do you want? D, E, F. F means, F means all ones. Okay. F means 16. 16 means 1, 8, 2, 8, 10, 15. I mean, F is 50, A, B, C, D, and 15. Okay, fine. So subtraction is okay. So what is subtraction? B, B, A. B, first you have to be 1011. A means what? 1010. What is it? 101011. If you subtraction, it will borrow what? It will borrow just 1, it will become 0. Okay, it will borrow what's 1. No, 0. It will become 0. It will borrow 1, which no, it will become 0. And 1. If it is okay, if it is 10, it will become okay. We suppose 785. If we get 8, 9, 2, first of it is 0. And if we borrow, it is 8, 9. If we borrow 7, what we will do? We will do 18 right here. 18, something value. So, if we borrow this, will become this. Okay, if it is 0, Then what we'll do? 708. If it's 0, then we'll go what will go with if what it will become? 9. Okay, okay, fine. Then 9 will become 10. Okay, then it will become 1. So 0. So 2, 1. 0 it will become 2, so something like 0 it will become 1, become 0. Okay, it will become 1, 0, 0, 0. So it will be. So what is the input? F16, just F16. Okay, unfortunately, all ones. Okay, not one. That's all. So what is next? BC. Not one means one. Only two and three. No, I need to do one very carefully, man. Do one very carefully. Okay. One means what? Okay. If I do two, no, I need to do only one very carefully. Why? Because once. Okay, wait. We do this carefully. Okay. What BMS what B A is A and this B. Okay. It is not it is one to become zero to become one. Zero. Okay. And then what next it will become zero, right? If we take borrow, no, it will take borrow from zero. Become one, it will become two. Two minus one, it will become why it is taking one, no, it is taking two, right? Become one. One it was become one, zero, right? Become zero, become two, become zero, so it becomes zero. Oh yeah, got it, man. Just only what the heck, bro. One is the correct answer only. I did two and three, right? So it's two. BC 1011. Siemens 1100. Oh, just doing reverse psychopaths. Okay. And what is it? Borrow zero to become one to become two minus one become one. One minus one zero. Zero. Fuck. What can do? Three. Three minus one. CB. See what is C? C. Or C at 1100. B 1011. Okay, what is C? C 1100. C. What is C? C B. And what next? B, right? B means right, my time is F. My time is over 0. F 1100. Okay. Take one, take one of it. Take what will become it? Take what will become 2. What will become 0? Instead, take this one. So what will happen? Become 0. It will become 1 and 1 will become 2. 2 minus 1 will become 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Yeah. Think option only one. No, only 1 and 3. Yeah. This question costs so much. So which of the following options is not a profitable algebra? Fine. I think I have done this question right. Okay. 19. We are repeating the answer. A into 8 becomes 0 or 1. Okay. Is there any trick? No, think right. So consider the following expression. So the following expression is equal to F bar with complement. That's nice question. Mm, okay, I'll do X bar. Okay, fine. So what they're saying, so let's do that. X bar. Why not we can so step for questions. Okay, so like let's take X, Y, Z. 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. and 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so code like this. So for example, what is the value of this? What's the value of this? What's the value of this of x? Well, there is a complement, not just simplification. See, complement. Okay. Okay. First we'll find x and we'll find complement. That's all. Like final value should be equals to f, right? So what is the value of 0? Get 0. X bar is 1. Okay, 0. Complement will be 1. So what is the value of f bar? Okay, if we see like this, 0. Okay, 0 is 1. Option B straight away false. Is the previous correct? I'm not sure about that, but if this is correct, then it will be good. What is this approach? Approach. So this is F. So what we are doing? Okay, we are just making two complements. Okay, we are doing this and we are just complementing it. Am I correct or no? Mm, I think so. No. The expression which after that is so what what zero that is what becomes zero then if we do just complementation of this one it will be correct, right? I mean wait. What they're saying was they're saying f complement, okay? This what is equals to this, so so these are converted f, okay? If we just do this and we will get this answer, we have to do complement of options, okay? So that's all, okay. First option first. If we do 0, then what's the for? So for if you do these, if you do complement of this output, we have to get f. Okay, fine, got it. So x becomes 0, so it will become 1. If we do 1, okay, if it becomes 0, okay, fine. First option. Okay, long one. I really are getting. Mm, Let it come to. Let's take a break. Reference findings. First one we're looking F and we're complementing or we're taking F as complement. So if we do the options, if we don't take the complement, so if it matches with the complement, then that's it. Take one, this one, and first dot F will be okay, it will be F will effort is to so it should be 0. Take one should be 0. That will be response with the solve it. If complement will become false, if this is false, should be become bar by bar z bar and plus an x y bar plus y z bar. Okay, solves what we get. What we get. If we take z bar common, yeah, let's do if we take z bar common, it will become y plus x bar y bar. It will become y plus x bar to z bar plus x y bar. Okay, touch the line. Stairs. No, right. This is complement. And it's normal. If you do complement of x y bar, what will you get? So this is complement. This is x. This is y. Okay, tell me. This is b. Okay, if this is b. Okay, if this is c. What is okay? Let's imagine this is only about this view. That's what we get here. We get what we get. This one is become just become a plus z bar. Become like plus z bar. This will be the answer. And what next and what we can get. What this one will come. Okay, it will be on to the answer. No. Z bar by what that will not like x y bar plus y bar z bar plus z bar. Okay, same as what we can do. Take z bar as common and take x y bar. Yes, just as can this take x y x y z bar plus x y bar. Okay. But yeah, so these are all self-real functions. Okay, self-real. So also self-to pull out your okay. Okay, we will do this question. Oh, find the boolean function for the applied inputs of the input. Okay, press circuit right in order obtain the function of the left here. The following sequence applied at input right into input line order 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 0x 1x. What is question? To find the boolean function that is applied to the inputs of the circuit on the right in order to obtain the same function in terms of x, y, z, the at the output of the shown on the left. Okay, what's so following sequence circle right z 0 to 3. So what will be the input? So let's say again we calculate this input will become what will become x by bar to z plus come x bar by bar right will become x. Oh my god, then okay, I will do this question first later. Okay, let's see for a minute. Static can same over yeah. So it says 7 marks out of 90. 4 questions wrong, 3 questions correct. Okay. 5 questions correct. Not the wrong question. Okay, it's going to be question also okay. Doesn't say. Wait, what? See, where is x bar plus y bar plus simplicity from and see where is this? All right, where it is okay. Yeah. Not PYQ test. This is just test series to of test. But yeah, that's a good question. So okay. That's right. First one becomes 0. There is no 0. Okay, there is no 0. Become, but here there is, but there is 0. Okay, so let's also classify it here. It is 0 terms are there, but as in POS here It is what it is not. It is zero term. No, it is zero term, but no, it is zero term, but here zero term. Zero terms. Yes. Zero term. Why it is present? Zero term should not be present. So this term should not be present. This term should not be present. This term also should not be present. That's all. Option A, B, or should be false. So next. So if we take this is what full term. Full term, so full term also numbers like whole bar should not present. Whole bar should whole bar should not be. So that's all. So if we can list whatever this one is, we can say consider like 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Two should not present. Two should not present means here, here what, here what. Two should not become. You got it. Yes, it's not less. I need to mark, I need to start it also. We will do it for next year. That's fine. Then, correct. What is this? No, but I mark it. Okay, not for this. So, this series, gate book, this series, it was, it is not PYQs, so why they are giving. So, order of geometry with polynomial plus. It's not. This is what. This is great question. Is this great question? I don't think so. It is gate. Just given a past gate. But it is okay to know the answer. Yeah, this is kind of what man. Literally, they are. Fuck. Okay. It's complement of that, but should not do complement of it only these three. Okay. After these three, there are remaining terms present. That man, make a mistake. It. It is given easy. It's correct, man. Okay. And great form registration. Correct answer is correct answer. Not getting the process how to subtract is computed. It's correct. It's correct answer. Okay. Not getting a borrow. B. No. D. No, it's even B. Only one and two. But then mark then. Mark D. That's B. Elaborate this one. This is 3D. Not this kid question. Oh, skit question. So let's see what's my rank. For seventh rank. What? No, 9 minutes. Share questions on the list. Let's solve this. Here's my business. Okay, this question. Okay, I'll do this self-real later. So let's start defining this one. This one is the most trickiest part. So let's write. They have taken simulation and all. Is this question correct? Question correct. Yeah, this question. It's correct. 12 minutes, man. Taken 12 minutes. So is this past year question? Yeah. Always use method option. Visit that. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Oh, jolly application. For kind update option D. It is not matching with the answer. Step. Fine. Machine okay. It's okay. What else? Yeah, I need to do this question right. Okay. How I'm gonna compute this question? Take some. Don't have to make small. It's a tricky project. So what just computed means if we take 0, 0, so it becomes 0. X bar y bar is equal to x by x bar y. Okay. Function. What they're saying, what is the function? So we want same output. and the bullet function that's applied to be inputs of circuit on the right in order. Okay, is the right. What the heck, man? Okay, right order to obtain the same function transaction by the output of this. Okay, fine. So what is the input? What is the input of this to get the output as f? Okay, first of all we have to find what is f. So we need to find f, and then after we need to check by options. I mean, not check by options. We need to verify it. Okay, fine. So what is the correct option? So here we have done today's question. So let's just mark it done. Okay, done. So let's practice. So what is like that? Hmm. So the function become what? Become z. It's x is MSB, LSB. Okay, MSB, take MSB. You can consider anything. X, Y, Z. X bar, Y bar, Z. Plus X bar, Y, Z. It will not be correct, but I am not sure. But X, Y bar. Okay, this term will be 0 plus X, so will be 0 X, Y, X, Y. Okay. So what? So we need to get X, Y as one term. So if we need to get X, Y as one term, what it have to be? So if we consider option A becomes 0 to 0, 0 x1 x bar. If we consider this, what how will we get x bar? Not at xy, right? Xy, combination xy. So construction C option A 0 become what? X y bar x y bar z. X y bar z plus x 2. 1 means what? By z bar, which is not present. Can we simplify it? I'm not sure. Plus x bar y z. This term is okay, and this term x y z. So that is 0. So if we consider option B, we have to check this order. What is there any right approach? If the G option C, okay, let's see direct option C. First one will be 0 in this x bar y z bar non y bar z plus y z plus x y z. How is equal to that? How is equal to that? How is equals to that? I have a question. Okay, if we take mean terms, so let's say, okay, now I need to check the answer. It's a long process like what? This MSP, this LSP, right? So I think this MSP in between that these terms are present. If I'm not sure, okay, if I'm sure it will be LSP, LSP, something like it will take 10 like that, and if we take the app, and then after we need to consider if not all should be correct. So around I don't know. Okay, yeah, this is some question. Oh man, so how many questions are there? Okay, let's check some here. Okay, let us take the technology. Okay, let's see copy school. That's why it's wrong. Let's leave this. No, I mean, not leaving. Okay, yeah. This was his mock test 8 to what's the meaning of this? So if I'm doing this question means I kept in this. Big heck. Really 6 takers, totally 21. 11 more. That's scary. Oh, let's not go to this. Okay. Okay. Let us. But let's do some question. Let us search for it. What this question? For this. No man, they're not mentioning anywhere. Maybe having taken the test. Just to take curiosity. Okay, let us take a screenshot of this question and let us do it later. Definitely, I will do it. Okay, so so what next? Functions perform self-to-end functions. So my bed is like so much. Try to do self-to-end. I topic on concept. Like the concept. Okay. Not concept as a mistake concept. See, if there are minterms, they have given minterms like x plus y and so on like that. Not just max terms. So I think x, y plus y, z. If you want to convert, not convert into max terms. Not, this is what, as okay, this is correct. I'm not saying do what become PYs, okay, it's correct. But, but where is it from? If we're just doing these terms, it's not do these terms. Okay, what we have to do is we have to separate the x. This will be if this is from 1. So total will become x, y, z, 3 variable become 2 power 8. 2 power 8, it's 2 power 3, total will become 8 terms with that. Okay, next 0 to 7, this will be number. So the min terms contain only 0 and 1. So the max terms means pi of m will contain a part of this. If we do bar, we are going to subtract 0 to 7 from 0 to no, we are going to subtract 0 and 1 from 0 to 7. So then we'll get 2 and so on, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. This will be the correct concept. So we should not do like this. Okay, what concept? Wait, this option. Okay, fine. Okay, let's do this question by this concept. Okay. Let's see. Let's define like in function as ABC means this is function ABC. You have to acknowledge that it's the LSB bit This is the MSB bit. Okay, fine. So this MSB and this LSB, that is 1, 2, 4. If you do F equals to, suppose this mean number. What is? Look, they again they say this mean number. So it will become what, maybe seems 0, comma 2, comma, and 4. Okay. It's just showing 0 to 4. So you have to contain 3 means 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and no, not the 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 times. Total 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So option B starting with false. Okay. Consider 1. How to get 1 in max terms? Okay, if you want to do this, now it is correct to do bar get down to 1. Means the bar should present on the, okay, this is okay, and here 1, and here also 1 is okay, 1, okay, 1 and 1. You have to get P. 3 means what? A, B, C. 3 means what? 0, 1, no, no, 1, 2, 4. What to do? B bar plus C bar. Okay, we just have B bar plus C bar. B bar plus C bar. B bar plus will be con AB. And it is there. What is the best here? That's here is not. So option 3 will be the answer. Got it? Yeah, got it. So yeah, it will be correct. And this question very tricky, but I solved it right. You become 1, 3. 1 is correct, but 3. Okay, let's see 3. 3, if we say 3, CB. CB. What is C? C means A means 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's say 10, 11, 12. 10 means what? 1, 2, 4, 8. 10 means 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 11 means 1, 0, 1, 1. 12 means A means 10, B, C. 12 means what? Okay, fine. So what they say? CB. See what is C here? C here 1101. No, 1130. B. It is B. B means 101. CB, BC. Okay. 1011. 1100. Okay, if we do subtraction, we will get 1, 1. Here we're taking bar. It become 2, it will become 0. Okay, 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 become 1. So here is 0. We're taking bar from here. Will become 0, and this date term will become 1, and will become 1. It will become 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Why not? C is coming, right? Only 1 and 2. By captive. Okay, let me see the BC minus CB. Okay, if you do minus CB, there's nothing like 1011 minus 1100 1011. Like this, will become what? 2 will become 0. What? So 2 must become will become 0. This is completely false, right? So this 0, 4, 2 will become 8, 1, 1. If we take 14 from here, 1, become 9. Can you just repeat? Become 9. It might be what? 8, 4, 6, almost 8. Okay, we add 294 plus 86. 0. It's kind of it's perfection. If it's 1 8 plus 86, 6 minutes with 1 8, 6, 40, 10, 8, 10, 10, plus 4. My theory is 400, not 4. Not 4 minus 14. No, option will be A, B, and C as well. Right. Only A and B. Okay, let us argue this question. Think it's not great for, but let us search by this. We have ChatGPT, right? Let's task this one. It's complete. Mm, definitely. First, let's take next one. Guys, it's okay. Okay, 6:30. I have to more. Okay, so yeah, like I have to study self-real functions. What I know about self-real is like dot. I mean, into is converted to plus and plus is converted to into means or is converted to and is converted to or. That's all. We are not doing complementation and we are not. Oh no no! Wait one more second. Zero is converted to one and one is converted to zero as well. I think so. Yeah, I think no. I think so. Questions I have. Okay, we do short notes. Why our here method is lagging too much? I will do this later. And let us study about self-real functions. Okay, self-real we did about your oh, yeah, with my notes. Where did I run?